up, you guys? I am back with another video. We are going to be doing the Bratz challenge today. I've got Sam sitting here.
We're gonna be Bratz?
Oh my gosh, you didn't know what we were doing all day. We're gonna turn him into a brat, which is not gonna be very hard.
Wow.
So we're just gonna put this entirely in fast forward.
Maybe some pause clips, I don't know.
Maybe some paused clips, maybe some explanations, some deep thoughts. So let's do it. Okay, you guys, so we've got the makeup essentially done. We're gonna do a few more touch-ups, but we gotta put the beanie and the sunglasses on to give the full illusion. So pop this on.
I'm a brat.
Because you're a brat. This is our reference photo, everybody. Guys, we bought these at 7-Eleven and it was like a $15 pair of glasses, and I was like,
they're like worth $3.
I'm definitely gonna return them, so we're gonna take these stickers off and just put them to the side so we can reuse them.
He made me a brat.
We did.
I am now a brat.
Passion for fashion!
Passion for fashion, we're brats! No, we're brat.
What would your brat name be? Sammy Elliott?
Ooh, no. That would be... He's like...
Cameron?
Yeah. Like Cameron Hicks.
Wait, I think that's his actual name.
No. I will die.
Let's find out. Cameron the Brat. It is him!
Oh, I love you. Oh my god, I'm Cameron. My literal name is Cameron.
Alright you guys, this is the finished look from this Bratz challenge or whatever. How do you feel? Like a brat?
I feel like a brat.
Perfect.
I feel bratty.
Alright, we're gonna take some pictures. Thanks for watching you guys. Make sure you subscribe, give a thumbs up, follow Sam. This is his social media right here. And I'll see you next Friday. Bye.